not to try to catch you making a mistake, okay? That's not what I'm here. I'm not a scary person. I am here to listen to what you're doing and tell you, oh, that's good, I really like the way you did that. Or to make a suggestion, if I hear something I think we could make better, okay? Now, in order to do that, I've got to ask you to do two things. When you practice, I want you to sing out loud, okay? I can't tell what's in your brain if I can't hear it, all right? Do y'all do numbers or solfege, or how do you say it? Solfege, great, that's what I did. So I want to see hand signals if you use them. I want to hear you practice in those intervals out loud, okay? The only thing you can't do is you can't sing it to your neighbor. Everybody's just practicing at the same time, kind of chaotic. You can't lean over and sing it for them, okay? Does that make sense? All right, if you have a question, raise your hand. Your director can come to you and help you work it out, but he can't sing or play it for you, okay? He'll help you think it through. Is everybody ready? Yeah? Okay, would you do this for me? Would you sit up straight? Would you pull your shoulders all the way up to your ears? And when you drop them, I want you to breathe out and get all that tension out. So you're gonna go. Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? Shake your hands a little bit. Shake your knees a little bit. Are you ready to listen? Okay, when he starts, I'm going to turn on the timer for 5 minutes, and you practice every second of it. Okay? All right.
All right, guys, I want you to look under your chair, pick up the book, go to page 16, Class M, 6th grade, 2-part. Page 16, Class M, 2-part. Page 16, Class M, 2-part. Show a neighbor. It's on the very back. Find it, page 16. Sing, go, go. Scale, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Arpeggio, and 1, 2, go. Okay. Sing the first pitch of the song right now. Sing it out loud. Last pitch of the song, go. Look at the time signature. Make sure you're counting correctly. Begin your practice time, go. Make sure you're on your own. Make sure you're not with others. Stop and let them pass you, yeah. Sing out loud just as we do in class. Just as loud as you always do. Do your own thing individually. Sing on as loud as you can. I just need you to turn up that volume. Altus, turn the volume. Yeah. Okay, stop. Sing do. Look at measure 4. Find the rest. Make sure you leave those 2 beats in there clearly. Look at the pitch that's after the rest. Measure 5. Make sure you know what's coming. Sing do. Begin some more practice time. Counting yourselves in, do your thing. Sing out loud, alto. Sing this. Stop, sing do. Keep that do in your brain. Keep that do. Here's that do. Don't let that do slip. Okay, sing do again. Go. Begin practice a bit more. I think we have some more time left. Do you have any questions for me that you need to ask right now, Elijah? Go.
Do you need a double?
Always doubling. Sing, go. Again, practice a bit more. Singing out loud, out your nose, make sure you're feeling confident. This is very easy for you. You got it. Is the rhythm unison throughout the entire song? Yes. Okay. All right. So it's going to be easy in this way. Sing your dough. You have about 55 seconds to finish your practice, and then we do it together. Ready? So you're saying. Okay, time's up. Sing the dough for me. You ready? Here it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go.
Awesome job. Great practicing. I saw hand signals. I saw people practicing the whole time. Awesome. Now you know what? You are such good sight readers. I'm going to add one thing I want you to work on for next week. Okay? Nothing wrong. It'll just make it even prettier. I heard this, and I usually hear this with beginning sight readers. Do, ti, do. Okay, you hear where there's space between the notes? Yeah? I want you to start working on going do, ti, do, smoothing it out a little bit, okay? Nothing wrong with what you're doing. Nothing wrond with it. But if you did that, then you would sound like, whoa, listen to them, okay? Just kind of try to smooth it out a little bit. Wonderful job. Would you be sure that the cover is up and slide it under your chair? Thank you so much.